Alright, so we have a new video to answer on Solana. So on your hot wallet, if you go straight to your come back to mission, you are going to see this. So we have a video tags on Solana. So once you click on the video tags, you are going to be seeing you are going to be earning 0.6 watts, and all you need to do is to watch the video and put the code, which you are going to be doing that in this video. And the next one is going to be deposits about deposit some amount of Solana to win 0.5 Solana, right? All right, so if you click on this, you are going to deposit a amount of Solana, and to get the contract address for that, all you need to do is to come back to this site. You just have to come back right here, come back to home. Then on home, you are going to see this particular icon here. So you click on it, you bring it down. So you are going to get your Solana contract address right here. So that is how to get. So let's go ahead to input the code. So you come back to your mission, then we scroll down, then we are going to see Solana, right? So we click on it. Okay, we have another question here, which is the BNB. We are going to come back to that before the end of the video. So you click on this, then you click on the video. So you can watch the video to the end to get the code, but I'm going to be doing it right here. So after you've copied the code, after you've watched the video, because there's a lot of stuff to learn on the video apart from the code, so you're going to come back here, then input submit password. So for submit password, you're going to be inputting the code, and remember, as I said, always the code is always a type. You have to type it. So it is market. You are going to type MARKET space and place. So it's marketplace, then click on confirm. All right, so you can see the mission is complete and the answer is actually correct. So good job, you have gotten one right. So alright, so coming back to this BNB mission, all you need is to earn 4.5 odds. This is what we are going to be getting, and what you're going to be doing is to join this particular project. You join this, you need to have at least deposit of 0.5, a deposit of BNB. You need to make that done, and also you need to have you need to swap about $5 worth of BNB on the platform, and also hold any other 3 token of BNB right here. So you're going to be doing all these particular tasks to get that done. So you need to perform this, and if you have any other question, you can go to the comment section, and also I have a link to my Telegram at the description. You can also join. Thank you.